Yung keeping, I've had 4 meetings or 5 meetings today. I haven't had chance to study that. Sorry ah.
Yung,
Kay Senator Lacson, wala akong information whatsoever.
yung Court of Appeals kasi, they granted the petition of Senator Lacson's for him to dismiss, for the court to dismiss yung sir.
Okay. Again, I'd rather not comment on something that I have not read or seen. No, so I think I'll be commenting on something on a very blind manner. Sorry. Just too many meetings today. I've been running late actually.
Ah.
So they've been flowing one into the other.
But would you urge him if ever to, come out? Because, well, the CA decision somehow clears the way for him
Di
to...
ba my appeal to him has always been, we will guarantee him a fair trial and the protection of all of his rights.
So, parang...
Like, again, sorry Christine, I'd rather see what the decision was.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Ana?
Just a clarification on the executive order sa illegal logging. What is new with this executive order considering na bawal naman talaga magputol ng trees from natural forests? What
Well,
is
yung nakita po natin sa Caraga nung tayo dumalaw, kasama doon sa mga troso nandun po sa ilog, mga punong talaga natural. So, dito tinatighten up natin, no? Saan ba ang potential markets dito sa processing? Yung processing, hindi nyo mapatunayan meron kayo talagang supply, hindi kayo mag-ooperate. Wala mabebentahan yung mga nagtotroso. It's one thing. Merong aspect doon sa National Greening Program na kung saan yung mga kailangan ng panggatong para sa kanilang pagluluto, amongst other things, bibigyan ng ibang paraan para makalikom, magtatanim at makalikom nung gagamitin panggatong para hindi na atakihin pa yung ating natural forest. Meron yung provision dyan, kung di ako nagkakamali, na kung saan meron kayong planted trees. No? Ginawa mong cover para yung mga kinuha yung natural trees, maitago sa kaalaman ng gobyerno. Pag nahuli kayo, sarado kayo. So those are amongst the things that are new in that particular bill. But more than anything, the DNR Secretary has already come to us on several occasions to tell us that yung forest guards are under threat. No? Meron checkpoint rin na may suspicion kami was attacked. No? Basically because of connections in the suppression of trade in illegal logs.
So sir, clarification. This is to strengthen yung existing law natin on illegal logging.
More than anything, I think I'm stating that this is one of my primary interests and that everybody has to attend to it. Huwag natin kalimutan, in just that last trip on the areas that were ravaged by floods, mga 1.5 billion pesos sa kakailanganin for infrastructure rehabilitation alone. And that was, second or third week pa lang ng January. Ang dami pa natin linggo natitira sa taon na to. So talagang meron tayong reforestation program. Ang problema naman dun, kakaunti yung pwede nating itanim. Tapos habang kukunti itatanim natin, tuloy-tuloy pa rin na walang humpay, yung pagpuputol ng remaining na forest cover natin. So sinusubukan namin i-address yan. Pinipilit namin na wala yung wala yung pakinabang ng mga tao mamumutol ng kahoy na hindi dapat pinuputol.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, will you maybe know the government's next course of action in trying to revoke the plea bargain deal with Garcia? And will you order a preventive suspension of any active military officials who may be involved in corruption in the service?
Yung actions dyan, the DOJ has already been given instructions. No? Not only the DOJ, primarily yung OSG. And I think, when did Abby get married? December 22 pa lang ho, klinaro ko na sa OSG and the others in his office, no, that our primary interest, di ba may nagtanong ni sa senador, ano ba ang polisiya ng Estado? Mabawi yung pera o mapakulong yung may kasalanan? At ang priority ko po yung mapakulong yung may kasalanan. Hindi po pwede mag-umiral yung paniniwala na basta magnakaw ka na sufisyente, pwede na matukso yung gobyerno makipag-aregluhan. So, klaro-klaro po yan. Tayo po yung nagsalita na rin doon sa palagay nating mali, no, sa pagpapasok dito sa plea bargain na to. Pati naman po yung sino nga ba noong January of 2009, sinabing sufisyente ebidensya. Bigla lang noong Marso, nagbago. So lahat po ng paraan para hindi matuloy ang plea bargain na yan at isampa yung iba pa mga kaso tulad ng sa tax evasion na ibili na po natin hindi lang sa OSG pero pati sa DOJ. Tapos kung kailangan ng preventive suspension, tuloy-tuloy naman po yung pagsisiyasat. Sinabi ko na rin kahapon, hindi ako nagkakamali, napakarami po natin sinisiyasat talaga. Sabay-sabay na inaatas natin sa mga kawani ng gobyernong inatasan na suriin lahat itong mga problemang to para maparusahan yung may kasalanan, pero mas importante para hindi na maulit yung katulad nito.
Sir, huli na lang. Sir, kay Heidi Mendoza, you know, we
Can,
have
can you
heard-
talk a little louder? I'm
Sir,
sorry.
kay Heidi Mendoza po, are you considering giving her a post in your government or at least in the anti-corruption campaign?
Yung I will ask her. No? Yung I would rather not force somebody to. Di ba? She has already stated the stress that she and her family has undergone. She has already contributed. Ngayon, if she's willing to contribute more, I would say, why not? But at the same time, yung kausapin ko muna naman itong taong to, baka naman, di ba, parang lumabas na pilitan siyang yung isang bagay na medyo nahirapan na rin siya. Ayoko naman mamilit.
Thank you, sir.